You are welcome to Better Filmers. My name is Peter. I'm going to be the one teaching you on how to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Most students, whenever they are solving questions in motion, they find it difficult to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So on this YouTube channel today, we'll be teaching you on how to do that. But if you are new on this channel, kindly please subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm are going to be notify you whenever a new and upload videos have been dropped on this YouTube channel. So from here we'll be dealing with conversions from kilometer per hour to meter per second. First thing you need to know is that kilo means times 1000, and in the other part of it you need to learn how to convert from minutes to seconds, hours to seconds, day to seconds, and months, year to seconds. So from what we have here, we are having how to conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second. The first thing you do is this. Always remember that in physics and in mathematics, kilo means times 1000. So from what we have here, we are going to convert this hour here to meter per second, and this is the way it is being solved. So from here we have it as 90 times, remember kilo means times 1000 all over. Now for this part of it where we have hour, you need to check within yourself how many seconds are there in 1 hour, how many seconds are there in 60 minutes. So from there we start with this. 60 seconds make a minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day, and so on. But for this part, we are not going to be dealing mostly on this. I'm only going to make use of what will be needed in this conversion. So from here, we are taught that it is seen from this question that convert 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So what do we do? Now, since what we have here is 1 hour, it's going to be 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 1, which will give us 306,000 seconds are there in 1 hour. So from here we can bring it at 60 times 60. Don't forget this 60 here is for the seconds, this 60 here is for the minutes, and times the invisible 1 hour. So from here we can say that 90 times 1000 is still the same thing as 90,000 all over 60 times 60 times 1 is still the same thing as 3,600. You have 0 here, cancel 0 here, 0 here, cancel 0 here. So from there, we are left with 900 all over 36. From here, look for a number that can divide 90 and 36. So we say we have it 36 divided by 900. We have it as, or 900 divided by 36. We have it as 25 meter per second. So we have the second question here as convert 90 kilometer per hour to meter per second. How do we do that again? Remember that kilo means times 1000, so we have it as 30 times 1000 all over 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 1 hour. 30 times 1000 is still the same thing as 30,000 all over 60 times 60 times 1 is still the same thing as 3,600. 0 here, cancel 0 here, 0 here, cancel 0 here. You are left with 300 all over 36. From here, look for a number that can divide numerator, divide denominator. To its simplest form, we can say 6 divide this 36. We have it as 36. We have it as 5. At 6, sorry. 6 divide 300. We have it as 50. We have it as 50. 300 divided by 36 is still the same thing as 8.33 meter per second. Don't forget, we are trying to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So from here we have from this question 36 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So it's still the same thing as 36 times 1000 all over 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 1, which will give us 36 times 1000 is still the same thing as 36,000. 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 1 is still the same thing as 3,300. 0 here cancel 0. This eliminate this out. We have 360 all over 36. 36 in this give us our answer 10 meters per second. And for this last question of it, we have convert 25 kilometers per hour to meter per second. So it's still the same thing as 25 times 1000 all over 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 1, which will give us the same thing as 25,000 all over 3,600. So within your mind, you can be thinking, where do we got this 1000 from? The 1000 in physics and in mathematics, kilo means 1000. So from here, 0 here cancel this out, this cancel this out, we are left with 250 all over 36. So 36 divided by 250 is the same thing as 6.93 meter per second. 6.9 meter per second. Yeah, this is where we are going to end these sessions of this teaching on conversions from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Thank you. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn up the notification button. Thank you.